What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video we're going to review a site here, guys, which is called Copland, guys. Here, guys, they claim you earn by smashing this egg here, guys, and will get 1,000 rand bonus, guys, when you sign up. Okay, smash. Then you have to watch this ads, guys. Okay, done. As you can see, you have to smash this ad for 10 times, guys, each day or daily. That time. Okay, as you can see here, guys, daily income is 4 rand, and then we'll get a free 4 rand, which is equals to 8 rand per day. Let's go to top up. You see, the minimum recharge is 200 and the maximum recharge is 10,000. Yeah, name hammer. As you can see, you can buy hammers, guys, from free to 10,000, guys. Shoo. Yeah, these sites. Yeah, team. Also, you can refer your friends, guys. You can refer your friends. Example, okay, as you can see here, example, a friend buys a hammer of 5,000 and you can get a profit of 1,000. Really. Okay, you can see my balance here, guys. I need 150 to be able to withdraw. Come on now, this is a scam, guys. Beware of this scam site, guys. Beware. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I will see you on the next video. Peace.